Crude oil prices may have retreated from the highs seen during the peak of the Iran conflict, but consumers are not getting much relief at the pump. Instead, prices of gasoline, diesel and jet fuel are rising again as supplies of refined fuels tighten globally. Analysts say this unusual divergence is being driven by a shortage of refining capacity rather than the cost of crude itself. Refineries in the US are already operating at near maximum utilization, yet inventories continue to decline, particularly for diesel. The result is higher refining margins and elevated fuel prices despite lower oil benchmarks. The squeeze on fuel markets is being amplified by multiple supply disruptions. Russia, the world's second largest diesel exporter, has banned diesel exports after repeated Ukrainian attacks on its refineries triggered domestic shortages. At the same time, tensions around the Strait of Hormuz have disrupted shipments of refined fuels through one of the world's busiest energy corridors. In Europe, extreme heat has reduced refinery output, while hurricane season in the US poses additional risks to production. With Northern Hemisphere summer travel pushing fuel demand higher, inventories remain well below seasonal norms, leaving little buffer against further supply disruptions. The rebound in refined fuel prices is raising fresh concerns over inflation. Higher gasoline and diesel costs, increased transportation and logistics expenses, which can eventually feed into the prices of goods and services. While the White House says fuel prices should eventually reflect lower crude prices and has introduced temporary measures to ease supply constraints, markets remain cautious. China has increased fuel exports, offering some relief, but traders say sustained shipments will be needed to stabilize supplies. Meanwhile, in Philadelphia, a group of 25 Freedom fuel stations has temporarily cut gasoline prices well below the local average by reducing retail margins.
I just happened to ride by, saw the sign, and gas price is low, you know what I mean? So I figured I might as well get it while I got a chance. Yeah. And gas is going up again, you know what I mean? So I saw the fuel.
However, analysts say such discounts are unlikely to change the broader market, where global supply constraints and not crude oil prices continue to dictate the cost of fuel.